Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing the record already stored. Sign into Facebook and open your activity log. Choose the filter for videos you've watched. Once there, use Clear All to delete every watched entry. This action removes the immediate watch history that Facebook uses for recommendations. Make sure you wait for the process to finish and refresh the page to verify entries are gone. Doing this now prevents those past views from influencing suggestions, so act before continuing to other devices. Once done clearing history, you must stop new entries. Open Settings, right arrow your Facebook information, right arrow off Facebook activity, and clear and disconnect future activity to limit external tracking. Next, when you still want to view videos, do it while logged out or in a private /incognito browser to avoid adding to your account history. Also review app permissions and browser extensions. Revoke any that can report video activity back to Facebook. These steps reduce or block the mechanism that records and links watched videos to your profile. Finally, confirm the job is done. Check activity log on each device to ensure no watched videos remain. If you still see entries later, log out of Facebook everywhere, clear browser and app caches, and change your password in case a linked session or extension keeps sending activity. Make sure to recheck off Facebook activity and connected apps for anything you missed. If history keeps coming back, disable suspicious extensions and watch only in private mode until you identify and remove the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.